What's going on? I'm the HIBLE, and it's time to fly my freak flag. And how else am I going to do it? With something new. And what it is, Okay, all joking aside, what I've got here is the HIBLE carbon fiber flagpole. And if you haven't seen these before, and of course I'm going to include a link, these are these crazy pivot flagpoles to where your flag doesn't like to get tangled. And it's carbon fiber. This threads into here. And if you look, it's got this sweet carbon fiber pattern. And there's these little pivoting barrels. And it comes with clips, flag, and brackets. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get these installed on the house. There we go, that was pretty easy. Let's do the other one. Okay, so I'm putting the flag on here, and it's got the little carabiners, and you can see here, right, the way you go like that. Clip these carabiners on, you put the small hole in here, clip it onto your flag. Now your flag won't get tied around here. All right, so now let's just go ahead and hang it up. And there you go. Now, it won't get tangled on the pole.